of Market Dear Founder Program, AR of Market Technology. Hello everyone, welcome to Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group. Today we open the doors. Today we quietly move step into the light. Today is the moment the world learns what you already know. Off-market is not luck. Off-market is not chance. Off-market is a discipline. And now it's powered by AR technology. This is our Dear Founder program, rebuilt with advanced AR technology that searches counties, backroads, tax roads, and the hidden corners of America, where real sellers live, where real opportunities wait. For years, the industry said, you can't scale off market, you can't automatic relationships, you can't build a national pipeline. But today, we prove them wrong, because inside Christina Melody Group, we build a system that thinks like a founder, moves like a connector, and works 24 hours, 7 days with machine-level discipline. This is not a course. This is not a theory. This is a movement. A movement for the people who bring deals quietly, who don't need applause, who don't need permission, who just want access, alignment, and a real path to profit. And today, enrollment begins. If you are ready to find deals with AR technology, if you are ready to partner with a national ecosystem, if you are ready to step into a community of excellence that honors discipline, precision, and legacy grand execution, then this is your moment. Welcome to Dear Founder Program. Welcome to AR-powered off-market discovery. Welcome to Christina Melody Group ecosystem of Market Deal Flow Pipeline nationwide, where the collaboration is currency and every connection is legacy in motion. Enrollment is open. Start today. Your pipeline begins now. Welcome to join a community of excellence. Thank you and welcome.